Meaning of impudent.
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 Impudent. Impudent is an adjective that describes someone who is bold or disrespectful, especially towards authority figures. It implies a lack of proper manners or social decorum. An impudent person may speak out of turn, make inappropriate comments, or act in a way that is considered rude or inappropriate. In summary, impudent refers to behavior that is confident but disrespectful, often crossing the line of what is socially acceptable. Someone who is impudent can come across as arrogant or insensitive, and may have difficulty maintaining positive relationships with others.